2013 Ford Super Duty F250 6.2 liter dipstick. Busted right at the engine block. So I tried a couple things to be able to get it out, and I found something that was able to work. It may help you guys in the future. I got a 14 millimeter bolt. I screwed it in there nice and tight, and I took my hammer and screwdriver, and as you see, I can't hold the phone and complete the job, but it actually started to pop out. So a couple more bangs and it'll come out. Let's see if I can get it out. Well, we did get it out, guys. Little trick. Let's see if it comes out now. It's loose. Perfect. Oh, let's get in there. So that's what I use. I just screwed it in there and just friggin' tapped it a couple times with the hammer, and it came out. Little trick of the trade, guys. Hope it works for you. Good luck.